Hi, my name is Novia Dina and my last student number is 064. So today I'm going to pronounce consonant sounds 1. Let's get started. The consonants D, dear, did, day, duke, door, indeed, candid, candidate, indebted, radar, feed, read, fate, bed, and said. The consonants T, tier, tip, take, task, token, volunteer, artist, intake, partake, contake, eat, sit, bait, bed, bait. The consonants B, beat, bay, bell, book. Frisbee, forbid, obey, rebel, combat. Lip, babe, bob, mob, lad. Next, the consonants P, pick, pay, pose, put. Repeat, carpet, participate, depend, impake. Leap, lip, crepe, map, stop. The consonant V, veil, victory, vacant, vote, vain. AV, vivid, invade, 7, evacuate. Eve, live, save, love, starve. The consonant F, fee, fit, fate, fetch, food, foot. Defeat, unfit, deface, affect, sofa. Beef, stiff, safe, chef, laugh. The consonant K, key, keep, kit, caught, coat. Picky, arcade, circuit, locate, encourage. Seek, sick, ache, book, coke. The consonant G, geese, giggle, gig, god, gout, piggy, nugget, engage. Negotiate, organic, leech. Big, vague, let, egg, hack. Consonant B, P, V, F. B, big, bait, rope, cup. P, pick, pit, rope, cup. Fee, fig, fate, love, cough. Fee, vigor, veil, loves, love. Thank you.